Hi folks, so after 10 days away and we were first bit of frost last night, let's see what's been happening on the plot. As I would expect, there's weeds everywhere. We've got a few leeks in there that are doing okay. Let's have a look at the outside tomatoes. These are totally finished. I think they're going to get dumped. There's one there that looks okay. Another one, couple there. One of my sweet corns. The beans, they definitely need to get picked. I think they've probably came to an end. The tomatoes, I think they need to come out as well. I think I've got everything I'm going to get off of them. These raised beds sort out in the next few weeks. Sweet corn. A few cobs on there. There's one there. See the rats if they go at that one. I think if they go at quite a few of them. There. Let's have a look and see what we've got here. Maybe something in this. I don't think this one's going to be quite right. There should be something on it. Yeah. That's only a small one. The orchids. Just leave them in there. We'll compost in. I think that's, so let's get a few of these packed. So this one here, even though I had the plastic bottle on it, you can see where the rats if they go at that. So I'll just leave that. We've got a few like that, so I'll get them off. There's one or two that still haven't quite ripened yet, so I'll leave them. The tomatoes, yeah, they've that one's, it might be okay. A couple of them. So let's have a look in the polytunnel. A few in here that can be picked. Some of them are splitting, but they'll still be okay. Oh, quite a bad bit up. And that's blight on that one, or some sort of disease. But all in all, I should get a fair few off of these. Cucumber that I thought had finished, it's actually still producing. That one there, That needs a bit of watering. Yeah, so I'm just going to prepare this. This is going to be for leaves. It's got a bit of leaf mould, so I'm going to put sides on that with pallets, and also that's going to be filled up. We're ready for next year's compost. The composting bin, it's rotting away and it's sunk a bit, so we need to get some more stuff in that. Shed roof still to be done. Hopefully we'll get that done before the winter comes in. The bags of compost ready for creating the raised beds. This rhubarb, I thought that had gone. It was a crown that I bought at a home base, I think, for £2 on sale. It looks as if it died away, but it seems to be coming back up, so that might be okay eventually. The variety of that's champagne. Right, so I suppose I better get these picked. Well, that wasn't bad. I wasn't expecting that wee harvest. Some of the tomatoes are starting to split, but I'm going to reduce them in some onions, garlic and olive oil, so not really matter too much. Most of the beans off of this. I'll let it go for a wee while yet, because it's still getting a few red flowers on it. So anyway, I'll leave it as that, and I hope you enjoyed the wee update. Lots more to come. Summer's now gone, the growing season's gone, plenty of work to do for the winter. So look out for other videos, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.